How to add to cart button in Shopify collection page. So first you have to log into your Shopify and you have to go to your collections and see if you have added collections here or if you have added some products to your collection. If you don't have yet, then you have to upload some products, go to your collection and create a collection. As you can see, if I visit my store, I cannot see add to cart button here below my product. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you how to add to cart button here on your collection page here in Shopify. So what we're going to do or what I'm going to show you now is the site where you can copy a code, just a simple code. All you have to do is just select all and copy it. I will just leave the link in the description down below, and all you have to do is to click that one, and it will take you directly to that site. So, this is the site where you can see the code, and all you have to do is to select this all, select all, and then Control C or right click and then copy. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this one first. And after that, you have to go back to your Shopify store. And this time, we're not going to click this customize, rather, we're going to click this three dots right here. Scroll down and click edit code. Now, here under edit code, you just have to focus on the left panel. Let me tap this one first to arrange everything here. Okay, so you could only see the folder. So just tap the folder and here, what you're going to do is to click snippets. That is below sections. And then you have to look and locate for card product liquid. Tap this one. Well, if you can see it right here, you can go to the search bar and then type product or card. And you have to look for exactly the card product liquid. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you have to scroll down till the very bottom and you have to paste the code that we have copied earlier. So let me scroll down here and I'm going to paste the code that I have copied from the site. So scroll down and then paste it right here. After that, once you have pasted it, then you have to go to the upper right side and click save. And that's it. Now, what you're going to do next is to simply go back to your store, refresh everything. Okay, go back to your store, or I'm going back to my store. I'm going to refresh everything. Then, after that, I can now see the add to cart button below my products and collection list. But before, actually, they haven't added this card collection liquid. So, if you see this in your snippet, aside from card product liquid, you will see this card collection liquid. It's the same thing. You just have to scroll down and then paste the code below and then see. So when you go back to your store, you can see here the product and your collection list with its add to cart button. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.